Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So, restrooms. Complaints about restrooms. You know, you can check this out yourself. I did a quick check myself. I'd seen a recent survey that 42% of all complaints that a janitorial commercial cleaning company receives are about restrooms. You know, how it looks, supplies not being filled, that kind of thing. I saw another report that talked about up to 50% or more. So let's just say 40 to 50% as an average. That is the biggest piece of the puzzle regarding complaints, because the others break down into many other things. So if you could address this one area of complaints, restrooms, in a very tactical, effective way, boy, that may be something you want to look at. Well, what can we do? I suggest that a checklist, also supported by pictures, photos. You know, there are these, we have a software and we have a mobile checklist and you can take pictures. We're not the only one. But some method to keep the checking of the restroom to be a daily activity so that you can verify that supplies are filled, paper towels, hand towels, toilet paper, hand soap, and that you can verify that the trash is done, it's been wiped down, it's clean, the mirrors look, everything looks good. And a couple pictures, there's no one in the bathroom when you're done. You take a picture to show the kitchen, not kitchen, the restroom counter and how things look, the floor. If you could verify that every night, how much of an advantage would that be? Something to think about. And there are tools there that are very convenient that you can work with your cleaners to help you get that accomplished. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.